How are you going to get your first customer? But one of the things that we like to use in our companies, and it has functioned very, very well for us, is what we call the $20 special. Or now, because of inflation, it might be a $25 special. But the $20 special, you go to a neighborhood that the lawns have approximately the same size lots for each of the houses. And you go put flyers on every door hangers on every door. By the way, you're not allowed to put them on the mailbox. That's handy, but the U.S. Postal Service says those mailboxes, even though they belong to the homeowner, they belong to the U.S. Postal Service. So they will not let you do that. But put the flyers on the door hangers. Take a little while to walk down through these neighborhoods. And it's $20 or $25, whatever you decide, for your first cut. You say, well, wait, I might lose money on that first cut. You might. But who cares? You're going to lose money anyway by doing estimates and all. Everybody offers you free estimates. Don't worry about that. If I, as a customer, want my lawn mowed, I'm probably not going to bother you by saying, oh, bring me a free estimate. Oh, I have to meet with you. I have to do this. I have to do that. I have to do the next thing. And at the end of the day, I don't have anything but a piece of paper that says you're going to do the work for this much money. What's much nicer than that is the $20 or $25 special that says, I will do the first cut for $20 or for $25. And after that, I'll leave you an estimate and tell you how much it's going to cost. Now, the cool thing about that is that you get to get $20 or $25, not very much, but it's something, right? The other thing is you're not wasting your time. You're doing something. The third thing that it does for you is it gives you the ability to actually try the lawn out for the first time. If you try it for the first time and you see that it's very intricate, it has a lot of toys laying around and just takes a long time trimming and all that kind of stuff, then you can know that your estimate's going to be a little bit higher. Because the bottom line about an estimate, it's always about how much time does it take to do this lawn. So once you have that, then you can back into it and you can say, okay, if this lawn is going to take me a half hour and my hourly rate that I'm trying to come up with is $45 per man per hour, then a half hour would be $22.50, and that's my estimate for this guy. It really creates a nice relationship between you and the customer right up from the front. There's no mystery here, there's nothing going on, and a lot of people are willing to put out the $25 just to get their lawn mowed the first time, and then when they see how easy it is and how nice a job you did, they end up signing up and they'll pay you $32 or $35 or $45 per cut. And you've already created a relationship. You're way ahead of those other guys that say, hey, call us for a free estimate, then we'll arrange for an estimator, then you have to be there, and you have to meet with them, and then we're gonna high pressure talk you into something. You're beyond all that. You're just trying to create a win-win situation. So use that $20 special and those door hangers to get your first customer.